Follow simple steps to edit photos to make them look better using Photoshop. Let's start by opening a photo. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate. Next, select Subject. Press Ctrl+J again to duplicate it to a new layer. Select this layer and convert it to a smart object. Go to Image. Adjustments, select Brightness or Contrast. Adjust accordingly. Change this layer to a smart object. Next, go back to Adjustments and select Shadows or Highlights. Next, add brightness or contrast. And also add color balance. Select these two layers and group them. And this is the result. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.